Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable advanced settings in HP laptop. So here we go. So guys, first of all, you have to boot into your laptop BIOS, which you can do by pressing the escape key, or you can press F10 key on your HP laptop. I'm going to press the escape key for the startup menu, and from here you can enter BIOS setup by pressing F10 key. That's it guys. So now you can see advanced. It's enabled on my laptop, but if you can't see this, press Fn and tab key. Hold the Fn button and press tab 3 times and it will be enabled. So guys, that's how you can enable advanced options in your HP laptop by pressing the Fn and tab 3 times. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.